Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about who is your soulmate or twin flame, who is your future wife and husband, and you have to choose from these two piles, and which pile you are attracted most. Choose that one. I am going towards the reading number one. Okay, for those who choose the pile number one with this earring, golden earring, your first card is your future husband or wife is the person who is not waiting for anyone. They are not the waiter. I want to say that they are not the person who can wait for anyone, and they don't like delay or to wait for someone, and if you are not at the right moment, they will move on towards someone else. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Yes, definitely they are not the responsible person. uh, Also they are not money maker. They want to spend it, but they don't want to make the money, or they use money wherever they want. They don't think about what's happened if it finish, or what they would do if there was no money. There are no money, and they are not the wise person. They are a childlike person, go getter, and they are not practical. They are not thinking about the persons around them, their family, their wife, their mother, and they are not the promise maker. They are not going to fulfill their promise. They are the person. Okay, King of Wands. Okay, for some of you it is Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, or this is Leo card, and this person is very powerful, very mature, responsible person, and they want to protect their family. Okay, I think this person they are they don't want the responsibility of some person. They are not like this for all of them or all of you. For some of you, they don't want to take responsibility, or for some of you, this one situation of this reading is that that person is not the responsible person, and the other card is they are responsible. They want to protect their family. They want to take care of them, their family. They want to love them, and from these both cards, they are good. They like shopping. They like to buy expensive things, and they are wasting money. Oh, that's why this card is here for, because they are the person who spend their money on shopping, on buying other things, and they don't care about the money. Okay, that's why this card is over here, but they are the responsible person. Okay, and Ace of Pentacles. They want to begin something new here. They want to. They are attracted towards you. This is the stable relationship, and I think they care about you. The Sun card is upside down. That's why that person is not. Something is bad happening over here. That person maybe is not a successful person, or maybe in this person in future they have lost all of their money, happiness, and their abundance, their luckiness. They are going to lose these things, or maybe in past they have nothing in their life, and now they are going to make this. Or if this person spending money like this without thinking about it, they are going to towards the disaster. And yes, they are not happy with it. I want to clarify this card. Why is this sun card is upside down here? I think this person is not in love with you. They don't like you. They don't want you in this relationship. That's why uh, they are not waiting for you, and they are destroying their money because of this, and they are not happy with this happiness. This is a happiness card, and this is upside down in the opposite direction, and this means that in this marriage they are not happy. Okay, they want to love someone else. They want these desires towards someone else, and they are not interested in you. This is the Aries card. This is Sagittarius, and this is Cancer card, and they are not interested in you. They have lots of happiness, lots of abundance in their life, and they are thinking about someone else. They are you can see that this lady is watching over someone, whether his her she is at that side, but she is watching, turning her head and watching towards someone else. She is thinking about someone else. She is in love with someone else. She want to give her all love, her all of her life towards someone else. That's why they are, or you are, crying over this situation. They want to share their happiness with their life partner, but they don't like you. That's why they are not happy in this situation. They are weeping, they are crying over here, have sleepless nights, and that person, I think they are betrayed by that person, or somebody had betrayed them. I want to clarify that card. Okay, this is because somebody had done something bad to them, so that's why they have no love for them, and they are not protecting this relationship. I think that person is you. You had done something bad to them. You have talked something bad to them, and now they are not in love with you anymore. They are not thinking about you. They are not happy with you. You have to wait for some time, take a patience, and this situation is going towards the healing. They will be happy in this relationship after some time. I think this is the good sign for you, and forgiving and learning. Yes, they are going to forgive you, and they are going to learn that after they forgive you, they have a lot of love in their life, and they have all of happiness in their life. With this reconciliation, I think they are just going to forgive you. They are not letting you in their relationship. They are not going to marry you. Okay, I think that this situation is leading towards that situation, that thing. Dress of Alchemy, release your power, and this is for them. Release the harsh thinking, harsh talking towards others, fighting, taking a revenge. Release all of that things. Love and passion. This situation is going towards the love and passion. I want to clarify. I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, something is hidden over here. Okay, they are hiding. They want to win something. Maybe they want to win you, or they want to take some revenge from you. They are going to win it. They are not unhappy with this situation. Their wishes are going to come true, but they are blocking you at that time. But they have love. Definitely they have love inside them. They are very loving person, or your father are going to help you in this situation. They are very stubborn over this situation. They are not giving you anything from uh, their life, their money, anything. They are fighting with you, and you are begging for their love, for their attention, and you are going your you are sowing your seeds. You have done something over here, and you are now waiting for your fruit. And they are alone at this time, and they are searching for their what? Yes, they are searching for their light, and they want to they want the clarification over this situation, that if this is good for them to marry you, or if this is not good for them. They are juggling over here, and they are from inside. They are childlike. They like you. But they are lying to you that they don't want you. They are not in love with you. They are. I think they want to take a revenge with you. Definitely, they want to chain them with you, and then they are going to finish something over here, and starting something new. And now they are listening to the universe. They are planning over this situation, and I think this situation is going towards love and happiness. And then this wheel of fortune is for you or for them. They are going to take you in their life, but first they want to take a revenge from you. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. अच्छा, अब आपके लिए सबसे पहले आ रहा है कि वो ठीक हो जाएंगे, लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, बहुत टाइम लेंगे, उनको टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि जो एक दफ़ा दिल पे बात लग जाती है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस जहन से निकलती है, लेकिन वो आपकी तरफ ठीक हो जाएंगे। अब ये है योर ओनली लिमिट इज़ यू। आपकी जो है आखिरी हद जो है वो आप खुद ही हैं। आप जहाँ तक उनको बर्दाश्त करना चाहें करें, नहीं करना चाहें ना करें। पहले आपने कुछ गलत किया है इनसे, जब भी वो आपसे इस तरह के हुए हैं, तो हाँ, ये हो सकता है वो बंदा आपको कोई तकलीफ़ दे, या आपने किसी वक्त में इनसे पैसे का धोखा कुछ किया हो, इस वजह से वो ऐसे हैं। और बॉयज़ आर ग्रेट, एवरी गर्ल शुड हैव वन। तो आपके लिए कहा जा रहा है कि शादी करना बेहतर है। इस चीज़ को देख के कि ये आपके साथ क्या कर रहे हैं, आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए कि आप शादी करने से ही बाज आ जाएं। एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट द फीलिंग ऑफ अ पेल, बट द लाइटिंग ऑफ अ फायर। हाँ, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इल्म हासिल करना होगा इस मामले के बारे में कि क्या आपको ये करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए। और अगर आप पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं तो आपको पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए। और क्योंकि ये जो है ना, ये इतना नहीं है कि आप दूसरों को ये बता दें आपने इतनी वो की है, इतना पढ़ाई की है, इतना ये किया है, आपने इतनी डिग्रीज़ ली हैं। ये असल में ये है कि आपके पास अकल कितनी है। मेक नो अपॉलॉजीज़ फॉर योर पर्सनैलिटी। ओके, हाँ, जो आपने किया उसके लिए अब आप माफ़ियाँ शाफ़ियाँ मांगने की कोशिश ना करें। सॉरी गाइज, I think this is my Urdu reading, but I think you know that what was in the list, and you can get the meaning of that. Now the red gold, the currency of Asgard and Valhalla, something related to money. Maybe they are making revenge of about your money, or something. This situation is connecting to some money matter. I had already tell you that maybe you had take some money from them, or some cheating about money. In the darkest time, I have always believed the light will shine. Yes, you can always have the hope on Allah, on Almighty. So that's why that's how your situation is going towards the sun. With this card, you have you or they have the thought of to take revenge from them. You are thinking about that, or they are thinking about that from you. This is not a good thing. If any of you are thinking about this relationship is not going anywhere. Grief is the last act of love. We have to give to those we love. Where there is a deep grief, there was great love. Yes. How deeply you are grieving over this situation, that deep you are love in with that some. Oh, sorry. You love that person, and this is also for them, vice versa. Okay, this love is immortal. This is for ever. But they are not showing it to you. They are showing their anger, their hate towards you. But they are not showing their love to you. Okay. And this person, one more thing. Okay. These are the date of birth of that person. Sorry, I think they are Leo, Capricorn, Capricorn once again, and what is this? Sagittarius, and Cancer, Aries. Yes, from these zodiac signs. And this is the date of birth of them: 30, 11, and 18. Yes, this is their date of birth, and they are from west, from your where you live. I think they are star, they are actor, they are a noble person. A big number of persons like them. Their name starts with N, Q, F, and X. Or these letters are in somewhere in their name. Okay. Some of these persons are with dark complexions, dark skin, dark complexion, with average face, not so beautiful, not so ugly, and small hair. I think they cut their hair. Rather, they are a girl or boy. Small hair and chubby, a little bit chubby, and with short nose, little nose. This is the cuts of or features of that person, and yes. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you have to watch my past previous videos, or you can watch my upcoming new videos. For that, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my videos at the time, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I am going to the pile number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this smiling emoji, your first card is strength. They have no strength. They are Leo, and they have no strength in them because of something happened to them in their past, in their childhood, or due to some other reason, they are not brave person, or maybe they have no strength to come towards you. Okay, they are not thinking about someone else. That is not the matter, that they are in love with someone else, but they have no power to do it. And Queen of Wands, maybe they have no good plan towards this situation, or towards you, or they want to betray you. They are dishonest in this situation. And the tower is upside down. There is no disaster, there is no. Yes, you have to be aware of that situation, that this person is not in love with you, they don't like you, but they are not they are not also hate you, but they don't like you. So maybe your relationship is on some kind of edge or in danger. And Knight of Pentacles, they are not coming towards you, they are they stop here, they are not moving towards you. Also, they are not cheating you, they want to cheat you, or they had cheat you in the past, but at this time they are not cheating you, they are not going to do any harm to you. Still they have no desire towards you, they have no will to come towards you, no dreams about you. And pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you, there is no danger, no anything wrong in this situation, because these all cards are upside down. Stay optimistic, but you don't have to be hopeful about this situation, that they are coming towards you, they are not coming towards you, they are, I think they are going to leave you or something like this, because they are not in love with you, they don't like you, they don't want to live with you. And with which of the end of the world, an important and a new beginning, this is the end for you, this is the end of this relationship, and they are not going to they are not coming towards you, they are not marrying you, they are moving towards someone else. I think this is this situation you are not asking for who is your future husband or wife, but you are asking about if this person, some particular person, you are asking for some particular person, and that person is not going to make a relationship with you. And they are not the person that are mourning about some distress, some stress, some trouble, and they are not going to cooperate with you, and they are not the person that can make the home with somebody, they are not coming going anywhere, they are stuck over some situation, they are not the manipulator, and they have no desire about family, about relationship, about anything. Okay, and they are not coming towards you. Also, spirits, you have to join your spirits. If you still want that person, you have to join to your spirits and pray for this situation, freedom. Okay, they need freedom. When they are free from all these stress, from all these thoughts, they will come towards you, or they will find their way towards you. I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, your first card is the champion was not born but trained. Okay, you have to be champion, you have to pray for them, or they are the champion. Nobody can change their mind, and if this is from you, you have to win them. The card, taking to, okay, talking to yourself, make your brain work more efficiently, and you have to talk about this situation to your mind, to yourself, and make a plan towards that person, and you are desiring that person, you are thinking about that person, you are secretly in love with that person, and that person, I think they don't know that. This is the one another reason that they are not coming towards you. Once you have matured, you realize what is this. silence is more powerful than pro- proving. Yes, you don't have to prove yourself. You just only have to be silent. So they can think about that situation, that this person is now they are not speaking, they are not proving themselves. What about this? If she is right or not, she is not an ordinary woman. The universe are telling you that this person is not an ordinary person. If they are a lady or a man. And with this card, plants and minerals are bound to predestination. The faithful is only bound to the divine order. Yes, you have only bound to the divine order. You have to wait for the divine order and pray for that. Blue color, you have to, this is the color of sky, the highest self, the highest position of your, connect with your spirits, connect with your God, with your Allah. Values, you both have to give each other value and respect for their values, each other's values. You either get bitter or you get better. You either makes what's been dealt to you and allow it to make you better. You allow it to, what is this, to fear you down. Okay, you can be a good person and you can be a bad person, but it is good to think about someone else, to think about others. Okay, आगे it's depend on no one. Get done yourself. Okay, it's up to you. You have to do it because you had make it wrong. You had destroy it. Okay, you have to make it right. It's up to you. My pile number 2. A champion is not made of muscle. A champion is made of what is this? Heart. Yes, you have to think with your heart, not from your mind and not from your brain. The heart will bring them to you. Okay, with this, Allah Akbar, God is great power. You need the help from Allah. Pray a lot. Okay, be valuable, not available. Okay. Don't think about that person a lot. This letter, this list is telling you that be valuable, not available. Let your dreams be bigger than your fears and your actions louder than your words. Okay, do something about this situation. Make your dreams bigger than your thoughts, your all about your things, all of things. And I always arrive late at college, but I make it by leaving early. Maybe this person is telling you that they will leave early. If you forcefully going to marry that person, they will leave early. So then don't force that person. Okay, this is anchor. You have to stop that person by your heart, by your love, or something, by your prayers. Okay, with this card, you can't never quit. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Quitters never win. Okay. Yes, don't quit on this situation. Don't leave that person alone. Do something to get that person. Trying to make you laugh. He will trying to make you laugh. Find all the women like the funny guy. Maybe that person in future, when they are in love with you, they recognize that they are in love with you, they are trying to make you happy, they are doing funny things for you, or if you are guy, you have to do that to that person, make them happy so they can think about you. 27 number 2 is the desire, the emotions, the feelings uh, um, towards that person. These feelings are yours. And 7 is the miracle number, and 2 and 7 plus 9, you have to break that person from inside. They are now at this moment, they are like a stone. You have to break that person. Some magic, something unusual is happening, God is with you, so you are going to win that person's heart. Okay, if a woman loves somebody, they never going to leave that person. That person is telling you that I am cool, but the summer made me hot. Maybe this anger made them hot, something. People from higher creativity are more likely to suffer from anxiety. Yes, they are suffering from anxiety. Okay, human brain can forget about some past memories when injured. Okay, they forget about your love, about your the time they spend with you, the happy time that they spend with you, because they are injured from inside. You have to make them heal, you have to heal them. You are going to inherited something from your ancestors, or some habits. Man, masculinity, power, strength, anger. This situation needs strength, masculinity, power. Okay, you are a good judge of character. Other people have it hard to character. Okay, you are a good judge. Maybe this person, or you are the true introvert. Okay, you are not feel happy in crowds, and maybe this person is like that person, the introvert. Okay, 25 number 2 is the emotions, the love, the you are hiding your feelings, and 5 is the change. You have to make some change with that person, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and some miracle is going to happen in this situation. Forget all the bullshit and drama, and live your life with a cute smile on your face. Yes, this is what you have to do in this situation right now. Your intuition has tell you that what is good for you and what is not. If you think that this person is good for you, then marry that person. If not, then leave that person. Okay, with this card, your that person's love date, birth date is 15 or 26. Okay, they are not from your colleagues, not from your cousins, not from your relatives. They are someone else. They are, I think, they are a totally stranger, and their teeth are